Perfume sellers, get in here. Today on Bam Glam DIY channel, I'll be teaching you how to make perfumes on your own. Perfumes you can sell and make money that will be able to last long. I'll be teaching you how to make quality perfumes that you can make and sell to your customers. Don't worry, you won't regret ever watching this video. Save this video because you'll be needing it. So you'll be needing empty bottles. I don't know if you have a plug where you buy empty bottles from. All the same, I'll be sharing some contacts with you at the end of the video where you can get quality perfumes that you can use and make your own, and also empty bottles. For the fragrance oil, I'll be using pink chiffon and Burberry Weekend. And then also our mint item is our alcohol. The alcohol I'm using is denatured alcohol. Please, if you don't get a denatured alcohol, buy your plain ethanol from the market and use. You can also buy the food grade ethanol. For the food grade ethanol, you can buy it from the cake shop. People who do cake fondant use edible alcohol. So you can buy that grade too. It's also okay. So for this perfume I'm making a high quality perfume. I'm making 50% fragrance oil and 50% alcohol. If you want to make something like Eau de Perfume that you normally see in the stores, those Eau de Perfume contains about 20 to 30% of fragrance oil and about 70 to 80% of alcohol. So in those ones, the alcohol is more than the perfume concentrate itself. But me here, I'm trying to retain some quality and some longevity to make this perfume to last long. So I'm making fragrance oil 50%. So 50 ml of fragrance oil and 50 ml of my denatured alcohol. Yeah, I've mentioned all the types of alcohol you can use. You can buy the edible grade, you can buy ethanol, but if you can lay your hands on perfumer's alcohol, it's one of the best quality. It's safe on the skin. It will not cause anybody any skin issue at all. But the edible grade is also okay, and then the plain ethanol is okay. Please don't use methanol. Don't use methanol to make the perfume you are giving people to spray on their skin. Please avoid that. So what I'm adding now is fixative. This fixative will make this perfume to last longer. If you can lay your hands on it and purchase it, good and fine. If you can't, no problem. I will drop some numbers underneath the caption of this video for you guys so that you can buy these things from them and then make it yourself. At the end of this video or under the caption, I'll actually drop these things, these numbers for you, where you can buy your perfume bottles, where you can buy your alcohols, and where you can also buy your fixative. I'll drop their contact here, so don't worry. So if you are planning on starting your perfume business, like I said, this video is for you. I'm not only teaching you, I'm also sharing free contacts for you where you can buy quality things and make yourself a very quality perfume. So if you have been selling fragrance or your perfume oils for a very long time, you can actually make your own type of perfume and sell to them. Bear in mind, you can also make your signature perfume by combining some essential oils in your perfume when you are making it. You can also combine one or more perfumes together to make your own signature fragrance and then sell to them. Little by little, from hobby to DIY, and you will become your own CEO of your own brand. So then let me tell you about this maceration. Maceration is you keeping your perfume in a dark cupboard for more than 48 hours after making the perfume. It will help the alcohol smell to die off and then improve the quality of the perfume you make itself. It is an important step if you want to have a high quality perfume. The longer you keep it in a dark cupboard, the more potent it will become. Now, this is Madam Nancy's number. She's a wholesaler. She sells different types of perfume, as you can see, ranging from roll-on, body perfumes, even the fragrance oil that we also use in producing our home skincare products or hair care products or even cleaning agents. You can contact her with the number on the screen and tell her to add you up in her wholesale WhatsApp group. That is where she normally drops all her products and her prices. You can buy in different quantity. Like I said, she's a wholesaler. You will enjoy and benefit from her. Please do well to like and share this video so that others who may also be in need of it will see it. You see, I always bring you good things. I don't only bring you the teaching, I also give you the contact of where you can use and start off this business. So what is holding you? What is the challenge you are having right now? Is it the production I have taught you? Is it the contact of where you can buy them? I have sent it to you.